Hi everyone, this is Pavan from second third BTech ML branch of Whitby College. In this video, I want to explain about how to create sign-in and login pages and how to connect them with a database. Firstly, I created a file called server.js and some other files called login.html and signup.html and key.json. I kept login.html and signup.html files in a folder called public. In server.js, I have written the code. In server.js, I have written, firstly, you can say that I have written imported a package called Express. This package is used for creating of routes, and then I have used imported Firebase for creating databases, and then I have written I have imported the file called key.json from the Firebase application, and then I have initialized the db db is equal to get firestore, and then I have created four routes that are sign up route and sign up submit route and login submit route, and here you can see login submit and dashboard. And firstly, in sign up submit route, it is used for linking of sign up HTML, which is created here in the which I have kept in the public folder. And next, sign up submit route will takes the input from the user and stores that data in the database. And next, login submit. Login submit whenever the user enters the data, then it will check whether the email and the password which is entered by the user is correct or not. If it is correct, then it will give give a give an output like a successful. That means there is a login data in the database. Otherwise, if the email and the password which is entered is incorrect, then it will return a statement called false. And then I have written login route. It is used for linking of login.html file to the routes. And then we have dashboard. And lastly, you can see app.listen of 3000. That means 3000 is the server port which I used, which is a local server port which is used to connect the database. And let me just run it in order to show how it works. First, I will charge the server. Node space server dot js. Okay, that's the server is running. And just come to this sign in page. Here I will enter some details like full name as Pavan, and I am giving an email as Pavan at the rate gmail.com, and I will give a password on. This is the password I am giving, and then submit. Yes, the sign in is successfully submitted. Let's see whether it is stored or not in the database. Here it is the database, Firebase database. In this database, I have created the collection. In that collection, I kept a name as users demo. In that, you can see you have documents. In the documents here, in this document, it stored the email address that I have entered, like email Pawan and the full name and the password which I have entered. And now let me check whether it is login giving the login details as correct or not. I'm entering the same email. At the- Yes, you can see here it is successful. That means whatever the sign details that I entered here in this has taken and stored in the database. And whenever I use the login to the particular site, when I enter the login details, then it showed me successful. That means the data is successfully stored. In this way, you can create a login and sign up pages which are linked to a database. Thank you.